got some new decor to kind of decorate my room. One of the things that I got is a new comforter. This comforter is really nice, but unfortunately our washer and dryer created this hole right here, which is fixable, but I don't want to wash it again and it create even more holes, so I'm just going to take this back to our other house and for it to be down there. I got a duvet cover. This is the same exact duvet cover that I have at home, and I also brought my duvet cover from home to put in that because I figured that a duvet and the duvet cover is a lot thinner for me to put in the washer and dryer here.
Why you make it so complicated? What's up?
I need your height. I just need to see what it looks like, so you just hold it as high as you can. High as you can. Higher. Higher. Higher.
Yeah. That's the best I can do that. Ah!
Okay, just hold it there.
Oh my god.
Oh, wait.
Were you trying to like offset it?
Yeah.
I think so.
Or should I do the same?
I like it offset it a little bit. Yeah, Deuce, I did that. Deuce. 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 You're not gonna acknowledge me?
Shut the fuck up.
So we're gonna be taste testing some fall beer that we found at Safeway. This is, I don't know what type of beer this is. Imperial Pumpkin Ale.
Yes, Imperial Pumpkin Ale. This is a pumpkin ale. This is a coffee pumpkin ale. And this is a pumpkin stout.
And then I also got some pumpkin spice soft baked cookies too. So I'm also gonna be tasting that. So I'm excited for that. We have little Maxie right here.
How many?
Hi, Bubbies.
What are you thinking about?
Hi, Bubbies. Why they look like this? Oh, they smell so good. They smell like pumpkin spice.
Oh, they do. They actually smell really good.
They don't even look like the front of the packaging. They look like this.
There you go, Jazz. Let's go. Ooh. Faster! Faster!
Ugh! I feel like I did good.
I feel like you did, dear Jazz. That was pathetic.
I didn't have to stand up.
That was pathetic. There you go, Jazz. Woo! Boo! Oh, there you go. Come on, Jazz. Finish it out. Finish strong. That second pull was pretty bad, Jazz. It looked like you barely drank anything.
I gotta prepare my potatoes.
Bye.